Car warranties are a lifesaver, right? They promise to protect you from those unexpected repair bills and give you peace of mind. But are all warranties as good as they seem? Let's dive into the controversial world of car warranties and uncover what might be the biggest scam in the auto industry. First, let's talk about the fine print. Car warranties are often loaded with exclusions and conditions. For instance, ever notice how some parts that you thought were covered suddenly fall under wear and tear or improper use? This vague language gives manufacturers and third-party providers a loophole to deny your claims. Take the case of extended warranties. Many of them don't cover basics like brakes, suspension, or even electronics. But hey, they do a great job of covering that one-in-a-million drivetrain failure. Then, there's the upselling. When you buy a new car, the salesperson might push you to add an extended warranty. They'll paint a grim picture of your car breaking down the day after the original warranty expires. But here's the catch. Most modern cars are incredibly reliable. The likelihood of a major issue occurring during that extended warranty period is slim. So, you could be shelling out thousands for something you might never use. Third-party warranties are another can of worms. These companies often promise to cover everything under the sun for a low monthly fee. But the reality? Getting them to approve a claim can be harder than convincing your boss to give you a raise. Many car owners report jumping through endless hoops, only to have their claims denied for flimsy reasons. It's a strategy, frustrate customers into giving up. Let's not forget the dealership-approved service centers. Many warranties require you to get repairs done at specific locations, which often charge inflated rates. And if you think you can get the work done cheaper elsewhere, nope, that voids the warranty. What's even more controversial is the scare tactics. Ever received one of those robocalls about your car warranty expiring soon? These calls aren't just annoying, they're often scams. Some companies collect your payment and vanish into thin air when you try to make a claim. So, how do you navigate this minefield? The key is doing your homework. Read the fine print, calculate the actual cost of coverage, and compare it to the likelihood of repairs. Sometimes, putting that money into a savings account for potential repairs is a smarter move. What's your take? Are car warranties worth the hassle, or are they just another way the auto industry preys on unsuspecting buyers? Let's get the conversation going in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening car content. Thanks for watching.